Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw facial features in the right place and the right size in a really simple way. Our head is going to be 20 centimeters from top to bottom, so draw a line at 20 down and a little line at the top, and facing forward that will make our eyes halfway down, which is 10 centimeters. So at that 10 centimeter mark, just draw a really light line, a guide line across, and write eyes. Put your ruler back in the original position, and you're going to measure 15 centimeters down, and that'll be the bottom of the nose. So again, another really light guide line, and just write nose. Now to make things really simple for ourselves, we'll make the head width 15 centimeters across, and half of 15 is 7.5, so make sure that's right in the middle, 7.5 in the middle of the head. And then the eyes could fit 5 times across the head, so 15 divided by 5 is 3, so every 3 centimeters draw a little dash, and that will make the eyes 3 centimeters wide. I'm just going to add some lines for where the edge of the head and the edge of the ears will be roughly. Remember, this is a guide. So I'm just going to draw some straight lines and leave a little bit of space between both of them, parallel lines on either side, and that will be roughly where the side of the head is and the ears. So then I'm going to draw in roughly, again, where the eyes could go. And they're going to be in those 3 centimeter spaces that you drew. Obviously not in the middle, otherwise the eyes will be touching right in the middle. And then we draw the lines for the nose. Now the edge of the nose roughly meets the inside of the eye, so just draw a line down to the nose line. I'll draw some curves in there. That'll give us the shape of the nose. Okay, next we need to know where the mouth is. So the mouth is halfway between the nose and the bottom, so halfway between 15 and 20 is 17.5. So just add a little marker there. And before I draw the line in for the mouth, I'm going to draw a curved shape, a bit like a wide V shape, and that's going to be the chin. I'm going to roughly draw that guideline up to the edge of the head, and I've noticed already that the edge of the head is a bit too wide, so I'm going to make it a bit thinner, and then go to the top line, which is at 0 centimeters, and do an upside down bowl shape, a bit like a hill. That's going to be the very top of the head. So we're drawing this face forward, which means we can see the top of the head as well. And we can start to see that things are looking roughly like they're in the right place. Just make the eyes a little bit darker. Now, the middle of the eyes generally is in line with the edge of the mouth. So I'm going to draw my mouth line in along the 17.5 marker that I put in before and just write mouth. So I'll line my ruler up with the middle of the eyes down to the mouth line, and the middle of the eyes roughly becomes the edge of the mouth. Now I can already see that the chin shape I drew earlier is a bit too thin, so I'm going to change that guideline again and make my bottom of the face a little bit wider. Rub the first line out after I've drawn the second one. Draw the mouth shape in roughly, and then we've got quite a big space between the eyes and the top of the head, so I need the hairline. And the hairline is about 5 centimeters down. Obviously this is different for different people, but on average it's about halfway between the eyes and the very top of the head. And I'm going to use my guidelines to change some of the shapes that I've drawn. So I can draw the ears roughly in place, and they'll be just above the eyes. I'll start making my lines a little bit darker. Now the eyebrows sometimes are in line with the top of the ears, so I'll draw, I don't need to use a ruler for this bit, I'll just do it by eye. Draw the eyebrows in roughly in line with the top of the ears. And that's about it. I might go back and change a couple of things, but roughly as a guide everything is in the right place and is the right size. There we go.